Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have Visual Studio Code and an HTML file ready. Now start by opening the folder that contains that file. Once done, use File Open Folder or press Ctrl+K then Ctrl+O to load the project workspace. Doing this ensures VS Code can resolve relative paths, assets, and extensions. Make sure the Explorer pane shows your index. HTML, if you don't see it. Navigate to the correct directory and repeat the Open Folder command so VS Code indexes the files. You open the HTML file in the editor. Next, you need a live preview. Install the Live Server extension if you haven't already, because this is the fastest, one-way method to open HTML directly from VS Code into a browser. Once enabled, click the Go Live button in the bottom right or right-click the Open file and choose Open with Live Server. This launches your default browser at a localhost URL and provides automatic reloads when you save changes. Now verify the browser shows your page at a localhost address like 127.0.0.1 with a port number. Save the file to see live reloads. If the page looks wrong, inspect the browser console for errors and make sure relative paths are correct. If nothing opens, make sure the Live Server extension is enabled and that you open the project folder rather than a single file. Reopening the folder and clicking Go Live usually fixes the issue. That's the single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.